Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best child swap target date fund for retirement planning, and here's the breakdown. If you are planning for retirement and you want an easy hand-off option, child swap target date fund are smart place to start with. These funds are designed around when you plan to retire, like 2040, 2050 or 2060. Early on, they invest more in stock to help your money grow. As you get closer to retirement, they automatically shift towards safer investment like bonds, so you don't have to adjust anything yourself. Another one is Trust Target Date Fund, which is popular because they have low fee and they are well diversified and also easy to understand. You just pick the year closest to your retirement age and invest regularly. They work especially well inside a swap IRA or 401k for long-time planning. Simple, steady, and stress-free. If this help you, like the video, subscribe for more easy retirement tips, and comment which target year fits your plan best. And that's it.